Is Toysetas.com a scam? The site is attempting to capitalize on the pandemic by saying that they are selling items at a loss. That doesn't even make any sense. They list an odd selection of items for sale, from area rugs to pools, playsets, trampolines, and all at unrealistically low prices. Toysetas.com was registered on May 15th, 2020. There isn't any history of this website in the Internet Archive. The About page doesn't state anything important. The privacy policy and terms of service section are generic templates. The shipping details, well, they're missing the details. The customer service contact page only lists an email address, no business address or phone number. There is a return policy, but with no address to ship it to. So, is Toysetas.com a scam? Yes, it's a scam. If this video helped you at all, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it.